If you're looking for the best new AI software that just got released, you're going to want to stick around for this OverallGPT AI review. This tool promises a lot, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it can do, how it stands out, and whether it's worth your time. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll be sharing a few things about OverallGPT that you won't find anywhere else. So what is OverallGPT AI? Simply put, it's an advanced AI platform designed to streamline processes, boost productivity, and integrate seamlessly with various business operations. From automating tasks to providing in-depth data analysis, OverallGPT aims to be a one-stop shop for anyone looking to take their business efficiency to the next level. One of the standout features of OverallGPT AI is its ability to handle a wide range of tasks across different industries. Whether you're in marketing, customer support, or sales, this software can adapt to your specific needs. It comes with pre-built templates and customizable workflows, making it easy to integrate into your existing systems. And the best part? It learns and evolves, becoming smarter the more you use it. Another key feature that deserves attention is the user interface. Often when we talk about AI software, we think about complicated systems that require specialized knowledge to operate. But OverallGPT is designed for ease of use. Whether you're a tech novice or an expert, you'll find it intuitive and user-friendly. The interface is clean, and the setup process is straightforward. If you're thinking this is just another AI tool in a sea of options, think again. OverallGPT's ability to adapt to your unique business needs sets it apart. It's not just about automation, it's about smart automation. With powerful machine learning algorithms, it tailors its responses and actions based on your input, ensuring that the solutions it provides are always aligned with your goals. Now let's talk about data analysis. This is one area where OverallGPT shines. Unlike other AI tools that simply process data, OverallGPT digs deep into it, offering actionable insights that can help optimize your decision making. It's like having a personal analyst without needing a team of data scientists on your payroll. Another thing you'll appreciate is its speed. In today's fast-paced business world, time is money, and OverallGPT doesn't waste either. It handles tasks at lightning speed, ensuring that you get results fast so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business. For those concerned about security, OverallGPT has got you covered. Data privacy and protection are built into the system, making sure that all of your sensitive information is safe from cyber threats. Plus, it complies with the latest regulations, giving you peace of mind. Here's the thing. AI is evolving rapidly, and OverallGPT is at the forefront of that change. With its constant updates and improvements, it's clear that this software is built for long-term growth and scalability. This is not a tool that will become obsolete in a few months. Lastly, if you're curious about trying it out, you can get started completely free from the first link below. I've personally tried thousands of AI tools over the years, and after testing OverallGPT, I can confidently say it's one of the best out there. If you're serious about maximizing your productivity and staying ahead of the curve in your industry, OverallGPT could be just what you need. I've also included my recommended AI software in the description. After using hundreds of different tools, these are the ones I trust the most. Be sure to check them out and start using the best AI tools to grow your business today.